Okay, so we are about an hour and a half in my sale. I feel like I'm not as busy as I was last time. Right now it's hot outside, but the weather's nice. But last time the weather was just ridiculously bad. I advertised the same way as I did this time. I advertised it on 8 different groups on Facebook. But yeah, it's fine. You know, it's going to get better. A lot of people are still at work because, you know, school just started, work just started for people. But none of this stuff is sold. I sold maybe like one item. I pretty much have everything here for $1 or less, but none of this stuff sold. A lot of this stuff that doesn't sell, tomorrow I'm just going to drop it off and donate it. I just want it out of my house. Out of my house. So, and I still have a lot more stuff to add, but this is my sale. Oh, Ben's showing you guys his stuff, but this is my sale. This is my little table that I work on. It's my little Lego table that I made Ben, so I have like a little drawer. Yep, baby, they see it. So that's what I work on. I did do my food items, mostly ketchup and mayonnaise, and a lot of that stuff sold already. I'm still scrounging around looking for more. In my basement, I'm going to add more food items, but I just want it out of here. A lot of this stuff is actually selling pretty well, so make sure you guys check dates and everything. Make sure it's not, you know, not gonna sell out or not gonna expire soon. Now my Tide Pods and the pods are not selling as well as they did last time, but it is still early. I know when I get rid of a lot of stuff, a lot of people will take them, but you know what? We're still early. It's only an hour and a half in, so got that. My razors have been selling like crazy, and last time I sold them for $2. This time I'm selling them for $3. I feel more comfortable selling for $3. They're selling a lot faster. But I did do the simple Bic ones for $1. So those are selling a lot better. Have sold a couple of this stuff. Sold a lot of the facial items. So I felt like the facial items for $2, I think that's a pretty good price. So I've been selling that equally the same. I've actually sold quite a few different hair dyes. I know it doesn't look like I put a dent in it, but I have. So pretty excited that some of that stuff's getting out of here, but we'll see. Otherwise I might just get rid of it all. The makeup hasn't been selling as much, which is, I don't know, it's an okay thing. We're still going strong, but it'll get better. It'll get better. A lot of people are still at work, so there's that. My toothbrushes, this is pretty much all that I have. It's just gone. The deodorant's kind of, you know, it disappeared. You can kind of see the light. The first aid stuff still hasn't been touched. Iffy on the toothpaste. Some of the feminine products did sell. Actually, I think just one of them sold. Feminine products, I did sell quite a bit. So, I mean, I think I did sell quite a bit. So, I still am pretty good. A lot of the stuff I might go down in price tomorrow. So, if the Stay Free and the Carefree doesn't go down, I'm going to change it to $1. But whatever doesn't sell of the feminine products, I'm actually going to donate it to somebody who messaged me when I posted it on Facebook. So we got that. The soap's been selling a little bit here, a little bit there. Husband wanted to do $3 for the lotion. I'm probably going to do $2 pretty soon just to get rid of it. But a lot of that stuff. Here's my miscellaneous box. I've already filled this up once. It's already going strong again, so I'm going to continue putting miscellaneous items in here. The soft soap body wash has had a couple bites, so I feel comfortable selling that at $2. Suave has still got that. My $3 soap, some of it has sold a little bit. Nobody's bought any Irish Springs, which is fine. Like I said, I'm going to go down to $1 tomorrow, whatever doesn't sell, because I just want it out of here. My $2 miscellaneous body wash has just been flying off the shelf. So the good stuff sells. So I got that going on. Haven't put really a dent in the shampoos and conditioners. I mean, I've seen a lot of people buy stuff, but not a lot. But that's okay. I'm probably going to sell this stuff for $1 tomorrow. Nobody's going to buy. I hardly sold any of the Garnier Fructis. So it's still early. So we'll continue and see what goes from there. I think I've had like 50 people show up. A lot of the men's stuff is gone. I'm selling these for $1, and I'm selling this stuff for $2. None of the Pantene. Yes, Ben, I see that. None of the Pantene is sold. None of the Suave. This Suave is still going strong. I added more miscellaneous items. These are all the Rubbermaid stuff, so those are for $1. I just added those. My baby wipes flew off the shelf, and then this is all that I got left for mouthwash, so that stuff's doing pretty good, and then nobody's touched that. So that is all that I've been doing so far with about an hour and a half in, so I'll continue showing you guys more stuff. See you guys in a bit. Okay, bye. So I'm showing you guys what I did. A lot of this stuff people have looked at, but nobody's really bought anything, which is fine. I plan on getting rid of a lot of this stuff. If it doesn't sell, I'm just going to go drop it off somewhere. So this stuff's doing okay. This is a new day of my rummage sale. Yesterday I was busy. I was not busy for over almost 2 hours. I didn't have anybody come over for like 2 hours. It was ridiculous, and then all of a sudden a bunch of people showed up. But it wasn't as successful yesterday as it is this morning. I've been doing this for about an hour and a half. I was gonna do a video right away this morning, but people were at my door right when I opened my garage door. But these are all my pods. Now I marked these down to $2, and since I marked them down, people have been buying them like crazy. I had some ladies buy like 10 of each one, bought them. So I mean, I sold like 20 pods. So I sold them for $2. Last time I sold them for $3. They sold super fast, super well, but this time I'm like, whatever, $2, I'm going to sell them for $2. A lot of people have been taking a stab at the condiment box, so whatever doesn't sell for this, I'm just going to donate it to a food drive. Nobody's even taking a bite at those. I still have a lot of facial items. My razors are kind of low, which is fine. I mean, you got some really decent ones for $3. I think that's a good price. Yes, Benjamin wants to say hi.
Hi.
Okay, so the 4 for $1 razors, somebody put all these in the wrong spot. The 4 for $1 razors haven't been selling at all, which is fine. I plan on donating those to a homeless shelter if they don't sell. Same thing with the toothbrushes. The hair dye, nobody's really taken a stab. I've had some things that I have sold, but whatever doesn't sell, I'm going to take what I'm going to use and probably just throw away the rest because it just doesn't sell. Mascara has probably been the most shopped item. Otherwise, I hardly haven't sold any of this stuff. It's crazy. Haven't sold any of this stuff. So, I mean, I even got some, like, you know, Sally Henson stuff in here, and nobody's even taken, like, a bite at it. So, we got that going on. I got my deodorant. I only have a couple left. I had a lady buy, like, pretty much all the regular deodorant, so we got that going on. The medicine stuff hasn't been selling very often, but that's okay. I thought the toothpaste would be gone super fast, but it's not. But it's still $1. That's the best price. I'm not going to go any lower on toothpaste. Then these things really haven't sold. I've sold some more feminine products. I'm really kind of firm on the feminine products. Okay, my kid just be a little stinker, but like I said, whatever doesn't sell feminine products, I'm just going to donate. So that's not a big deal. So we got that. A lot of people have taken quite a few of these, so but whatever doesn't sell, I'm going to give to my brothers. The miscellaneous box, I've been selling pretty much a lot of stuff. I mean, there's still some stuff left, but whatever, I'm still going to go strong with that. The body wash, I might mark this down to $1. This one stuff hasn't been selling. I probably will mark this down to $1, so we'll see about that. One of my friends gave me a bunch of her clothes, so we're just selling those for $1. I ended up combining a lot of the body wash. I'm selling those for $2. I'm going to be pretty much firm on that. Just marked down the price for Irish Springs. I just have so much of it that I want to get rid of it. So I've sold quite a few, but my box is still super full. So there's that. I'm also going to do another Facebook post coming up soon. So we got that. This is all I got left for the soap, which is pretty good, you know, a pretty good deal. My Garnier Fructis, I haven't hardly sold any of that stuff. L'Oreal, haven't sold hardly any of that. This stuff, I've had some stuff, and then nothing of the Suave has sold at all. Kids stuff, got that. And then I marked this down to lotions. Once I marked it down to $2, I had a couple people sell it. So, still doing okay. I'm going to mark some of this stuff down just to get rid of it. And I'll see you guys in a little bit. So now it's about 10 minutes closing to my garage sale. I sold a couple of these things. I'm getting ready just to pack about maybe 75% of this stuff. I'm going to pack it up, give it away, donate it all, just get rid of it. Yeah, it's just a bunch of stuff. I don't care. I got to look the other way. This is a box we're getting ready to pack up to donate. I sold all my laundry pods, all of those. I still have a couple of the OxyClean. I just put some right here so people could see it, so put that there. But I do have about 2 cases, about 2.5 cases of the OxyClean left. Food items, I sold a lot of it. A lot of people are kind of scared with the honey situation, but that's fine. This ketchup tastes just fine with me, so happy with that. Sold both of those little inflatable things. A lot of the facial stuff. None of the St. Ives stuff really sold, which is whatever, not a big deal. But I do have a couple razors. I thought the razors would sell, but you know what? Not a big deal. Hardly any of these sold. I don't even know if I even sold any of them. Not a big deal. These are great items to donate. Hair dye, I had a couple people grab some stuff. Like I said, I'm just going to grab what I want, and then I'm just going to throw the rest away. I just feel like I have too much hair dye. A lot of the makeup stuff, I mean, some people did take a jab at this, so I did sell some of that stuff. All my eyeliners gone. Again, the brow stuff, like maybe one person brought a brow, so I know when I coupon now not to get brows, even though it's a freebie, not going to get brows. Still have a lot of eyeshadow, a lot of lipstick, but what I might be doing is be selling some boxes that are just for like makeup stuff, so we got that going on. Irish Springs did put a dab at that. The medicine stuff did take, you know, a big, you know, jump on that. One toothpaste left. Sold my all my mouthwash except the Biotin. Feminine products, sold some of it. I'm going to keep some of it, and then I am going to donate the rest. Like all the Stay Free is going to go, the Carefree is going to go, some of the Kotex. Most of the stuff that I don't use and some of the stuff that I'm not a big fan of is just going to go. It's going to go bye-bye. Yep, the $1 items, you know, it did sell. I'm surprised I didn't sell a lot of the soft soap. Now I know what flavors to get and what flavors not to get, because it feels like the orange and then the cocoa and almond butter didn't sell, so I know what to get in the future, so we got that. My friend sold a couple of her clothes. Only one body wash left and one Olay soap, which I am shocked that didn't sell, but not a big deal. Did sell quite a few of the Irish Springs, so I'm happy about that. This is all my soap. Did sell a couple things of that. Sold all of my Garnier Fructis. Now I did mark that $1 after I made my last video, but I sold all my Garnier. I sold all my Pantene, so happy about that. I'm surprised none of this really sold, but hardly any of the swabs sold. So this is stuff that I will be, you know, donating and giving away to people. 2 of the Swab Kids stuff is left. I just gave this stuff away. Like I was charging $1/4 for the Valentine's. If a kid wanted it, I'm like, you guys can have it. Nobody even touched the diapers or even looked at it, so that's fine with me. We also got, you know, those cups. Sold those for $1. I sold everything else except the cups. The lotion, the husband was being a little bit greedy at the end, or at the beginning, wanting $3. I wish I had $2 since yesterday. So, otherwise than that, that's all we got for lotion, which is fine, because I do like this lotion. But, otherwise, that was my garage sale. We're going to kind of just go away, leave the house, and then come back and pack all this stuff. But, I did make more money than I did last time. Last time I made $1,300. I don't know how much I made this time. I counted some of the money. I probably made about $1,500 or $1,600, so, which I think is a pretty good outcome, and I have a lot more than what I had last time, so that sucks that I have to pack it up, and that's all the laundry detergent that I have too. So yeah, just want to say thanks for watching. This is how I prepare for a garage sale, and I will probably have another one this spring. I would like to do a winter one, but you can't when you live in Wisconsin because it's 0 degrees outside, so unless we get some like really good weekend, we'll see. But other than that, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.